Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani and we're back with another video.
Today's video, many have requested this, and since the spirit of Christmas and Christmas is coming, we're gonna be reacting to ABS-CBN Christmas Station ID 2018 Family is Love. Where is the love? So they keep on doing this every single damn year, and they always release like this ID commercial or station, Christmas station ID or something. And it's always nice to watch because every year they always have themes and they always have sentimental values and everything. So let's see.
And we love Christmas, guys, so let's check it out. Check it out.
Fabio's hair is so...
It's wild, I know.
Chicken. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Thank you for all the subscribers and please subscribe if you haven't yet.
Be part of the family.
Yes, subscribe.
Oh, war. Wait, what does this have to do with Christmas?
Let's see what the message is.
Is this
I think this is the southern part where there's a lot of war happening.
in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, you have wars?
Yeah, we do. We have some.
Oh.
Not a lot though, but oh, that's like me when I was in the Philippines. Am I gonna cry? What is this? Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry, guys.
Oh, Vice Ganda! Oh,
Oh, the TMT boys.
there's a. I wanna see some.
Laban ka against your fellow
Yeah.
Filipino.
So it's
So-
a
Kasi
civil.
yung mga anak ko pag may promise
Internal
sila
war.
na magbabakasyon, tapos hindi natutuloy. Puntong hininga na lang yung ginagawa ko.
Siyempre, mahirap kasi malayo ka.
Pag po kami may nararamdaman, sasakay pa po ng bangka.
Yung pong sa asawa ko, may sakit talaga sa akin.
Ay nandumating po si doktora, napakaginhawa.
I saw a lot of sick people and who has no chance also to go into hospital kasi malayo, mahal. So it was
She speaks the language now
touched
too.
my heart
Wow.
also to come and to stay here.
Nung nangyari po yung bagyong umpong, nung pagpunta ko sa kwarto, nakita ko yung may linya ng bitak, biglang lumaki.
Umalis na kami, lumabas kami lahat sa
Oh,
bahay.
they were
Wala
affected by
kami
the
dala.
typhoon.
Sabi ko kanila, tingnan niyo yung ano.
This is actually sad because Christmas is coming and some people are facing all these problems.
Yeah.
Patay na yung asawa mo.
Wow!
Wow. Oh.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh my goodness. Where is this place? Manila or no?
Maybe.
No, it's not. I don't recognize that.
Oh, this is so nice. I love the message.
Wow, even the orchestra they brought.
Yep. Is that my high school?
Manila, look at.
It looks like my high school.
LGBT din. Ang gabaw ng parents ko. Yung buhay ko, parang skateboard lang. Ilang beses kang matutumba. Pero, tinatry mo pa rin.
That's a beautiful meaning that she
That's a nice.
said.
That was a nice
My
message.
life is like a
Skateboard.
skating.
Yeah.
That girl is beautiful. Did you see with the curly hair?
That's a lot of artists all in one room.
Bata.
Oh.
Oh, they're going back. Oh, they surprised them. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's so
As New York
touching.
Times,
There's so many good people in the world.
Sama-sama na babangon. Doon mo talaga
Philippines has a lot of good
we are one
people.
family.
When I went home, that's
Ang pamilya
it
ko
reminded. She's so cute. Who's that guy?
Oh,
Karen. Yolo has long hair now. Pia!
yeah, yes. I was like, oh my gosh, she's here. So funny how we know now all the
I know.
artists.
Some people don't know the lyrics. Do you see?
Yes.
Or they're probably reading.
Look, Tony Labrusca.
Chill.
Oh. One day we'll be there singing with them.
Can you imagine?
Next Christmas. Oh, Casey.
Casey has to dance.
Of
She
course.
has to move.
She has to be so extra.
See what I said? Christmas in my country is so much fun. Like, all the OFW can relate. Like, if you're outside Philippines and you're not celebrating Christmas in the Philippines, you are sad. Where did they film this?
Looks like a school or something.
Looks like a studio. Probably there's. So cute.
Oh my goodness.
I love that
Yeah,
they
it
featured
made
a
me
lot of stories.
emotional,
A
yeah.
little bit emotional.
Yeah, because it makes you realize how many good people there are in the world and how many struggles people go through.
Yeah.
And we're
realized
very
that
lucky.
too. I realized
We're
that
very
too.
lucky.
I realized that too when I went home in the Philippines this year. There's a lot of big difference. You see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And spending Christmas away from family, it's something that we both unfortunately have to do a lot of times.
Even though
And-
my family is here, but it's always different when you're back home in the Philippines. Friends, bigger family members. So.
Yeah, and I live here and all my family is back in Italy, so it's very hard for me to.
Yeah.
When it comes to Christmas, I always get very melancholic.
We don't even spend it together.
Sometimes, yeah, because we
What do
work.
you mean sometimes? We don't spend Christmas at all together.
That's true. We never spend Christmas
We
together.
never.
Not the day of.
No.
No.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. That was such a good recommendation. We just really had to watch it. That was our genuine reaction. We didn't have anything to say about it because we were just so entertained by the stories, all the good singing, the good tunes, and maybe we were entertained by the people that we know recognizing the crowd.
Yeah.
But that was very nice. Thank you for recommending that video.
Thank you. It was very sweet of you guys.
Now we're all melancholic and
We're gonna sleep like that.
sleep.
As
Anyway,
we cry.
thank you guys for watching. We'll see you all next time.
Bye.